If you feel like your brain is buffering like a slow Wi-Fi signal, if your focus disappears after 10 minutes, if you read same sentence 3 times, but your labs all says normal, you're about to learn the peptide that high performers, CEOs, and medical insider uses quietly because it actually works. And no, Big Pharma is not excited about people discovering this peptide. And I'm talking about the peptide called Semax. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why Semax might be the most underrated cognitive peptide on the planet and how to use it safely, intelligently, and for real results. I'm Jay Patel, a certified physician assistant specializing in functional medicine, anti-aging, and performance medicine. And today, we are going into Semax, the peptide for focus, motivation, mental clarity, mood, ADHD-like symptoms, recovery, and even neuroprotection. People think they need more caffeine. No, they need better neurochemistry. Semax is like turning your brain back on. Let's keep this simple because peptide gets overcomplicated. So what is Semax? Semax is a synthetic analog of ACTH, but without the cortisol-raising effect, meaning you get the brain benefits without stress hormone going up. This peptide was originally discovered for stroke recovery, traumatic brain injury, cognitive dysfunction, ADHD-like symptoms, memory enhancement. Here is where it gets fun. Healthy people started using it and realized I feel clear, faster, sharper. So it moved from medical use to performance improvement, longevity, and wellness. Semax increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotropic factor, dopamine signaling, neuroplasticity, learning speed, and mental resilience. It decreases anxiety, brain fog, mental fatigue. It's one of the few things that can boost BDNF this quickly and predictably. Semax basically tells your brain, hey, let's reboot and grow age again. I want you to think of the last time you felt fully focused, not distracted, not overstimulated, just present. Most adults haven't felt that in years. They live in dopamine chaos. Notification all the time, screens, stress, mental switching every 8 seconds. Semax is the first peptide that genuinely pulls people out of that cognitive quicksand. It feels like your brain stopped fighting you. So let's talk about how you will feel after taking Semax. Most of the people describe it like calm, focused, motivated without anxiety, better recall, ability to start tasks and finish them, more verbal fluency, faster learning, better mood stability, no crash. Most important, no addictiveness like stimulants. It's like Adderall's clean cousin that went to medical school and meditates. So who benefits the most from taking Semax? Entrepreneurs, anyone with ADHD-like symptoms, students, high performers, people with post-COVID brain fog, men, women doing hormone therapy, 40+ crowd noticing cognitive decline, athletes learning skills, anyone overwhelmed and disorganized. If your brain runs your life, Semax makes life easier. Semax is used intranasal. Typical dosing is 100 to 300 mcg per spray, 1 to 2 times daily, 5 days on, 2 days off. Or you can also cycle 4 to 6 weeks and take a break. It's very important to cycle this peptide. Best time to take is morning, pre-workout, pre-study, pre-creative work, pre-presentation, before cognitively heavy day, anytime you need more mental focus. Make sure to start low. Semax is potent. Side effects. Let's be real and not pretend everything is perfect. Semax comes with some of the side effects. The mild side effects include irritation in the nose since it's used intranasal, blood pressure, feeling too focused, slight irritability if you're more sensitive or use higher dose. Rare side effect includes headache, insomnia if taken too late. Is it safe? Generally, yes. Used medical grade and supervised by medical provider. Like market peptides are sketchy, harsh solvent, inaccurate dosing, and most important, contaminated. If you are using peptide or planning to use peptides, make sure to first consult medical provider. Make sure you are a good candidate for any particular peptide or Semax. Always use the medical grade peptide from approved pharmacy or don't use it at all. Let's discuss some stack that can give synergetic effect with Semax. Number 1 is Semax plus Salang, calm focus stack. Semax equals motivation plus attention. Salang equals reduced anxiety plus stabilized mood. This combo is perfect for ADHD-like symptoms. Next one is Semax plus caffeine equals clean energy stack. Boost dopamine signaling without jitters. Great for work or study. Third one is Semax plus NAD plus. This is a brain regeneration stack. NAD equals cell energy. Semax equals neural pathway. Together, long-term brain anti-aging. Number 4 is Semax plus testosterone. High-performance male brain. Testosterone increases dopamine signaling. Semax increases neuroplasticity. Together, this stack accelerates motivation, drive, and productivity. The fifth one is Semax plus GLP-1s like trizeptide or semaglutide. Most people on GLP-1s experience low motivation, fatigue, brain fog. Semax reverses that. Perfect combo for performance while losing weight. Number 6 is Semax plus creatine and omega-3s. This is the budget-friendly nootropic stack with massive synergy. The last one is Semax with methylene blue, one of the cleanest mitochondrial plus cognitive stack. The all-in-one brain support stack. If you want focus, memory, energy, mood, motivation, and anti-aging, this is the highest performing stack. Write it down and talk to your medical provider. Here is the stack. Salang, thyroid optimized, NAD plus, testosterone optimized, creatine, omega-3s, magnesium threonate, vitamin D, strength training and walking regularly, and sleep optimized. Anyone relates to feeling overwhelmed, losing focus, mental burnout, fatigue, memory issue, trying to do 100 things with brain that feels like Windows XP? Semax hits the pain point everyone is living with. If you want more education like this, real science-backed, no BS, functional and performance medicine, hit follow, subscribe, and drop a comment about which peptide you want next. This channel is for people who want to feel younger, think faster, and live better. I see you in the next one.